Okay, I get it. You don't want me to wear this shirt for next episode. Duly noted. Anyway, in this episode we're going to be covering the Apple Watch Series 4, but this time it's going to be pretty in-depth in case you didn't have enough information when I did it in under 2 minutes. Let's roll in the intro. Hey, it's JK and you are watching Season 1 Episode 5 of the JK Tech Show. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications and share this video and like it so that I'm able to keep this show running. I'm @JKYT on all social media platforms, in the description down below for more details. And the clips regarding the Apple Watch have come from the JK Tech News Podcast Episode 3. And yeah, also I'm going to be stopping using that because it's just done. That's it. No more of that. Without further ado, let's jump into it. And let's jump into everything that you need to know about the Series 4. So the Apple Watch Series 4 has the largest watch display ever, while it still keeps a pretty small form factor because they just reduced bezel size. And to be more specific, the display is 30% bigger than the previous model. They've improved the power efficiency of the Apple Watch, so you can pretty much go through an entire day with just one charge. Their estimate was around 18 hours of battery life, so it sounds pretty good. Now, along with releasing this brand new Apple Watch, they released a bunch of new Apple Watch faces, which are pretty cool. So the first one is the Infograph watch face with air quality index, UV index, heart rate, activity, music, workout, breathe, and weather. Those are the things that are going to be on your face. Well, not your actual face, your watch face. The second one is the Infograph modular, means you can sort of take things out, put things in, and move them around. So the modular watch face comes with the calendar, weather, activity, music, breathe, and heart rate. Now the third one is the one that looks most like a normal watch face that you'd get on a analog watch. It's still called Infograph watch face. Comes with stopwatch, alarm, world clock, timer, and sunrise and sunset. Number 4 is another Infograph modular face, but this one's slightly different. This one comes with calendar, weather, heart rate, breathe. I feel like I'm saying breathe wrong. I think it's supposed to be breath. So do bear that I am really tired. The room is really hot and I'm just like, my eyes need to just shut. And I also need to edit the podcast and a YouTube video after this, so yeah, you can see where I'm going with it. Now the final Infograph watch face that they have contains a bunch of solar stuff. Solar, sunrise, sunset, moon, then all the normal jazz that we've seen like UV index, air quality index, weather, and world clock. Now the digital crown is that little knob on the edge of the Apple Watch. It now has haptic feedback, so you can feel like a click every time you move it. I like that, it's just satisfying for me. And it doesn't feel like an infinite circle just looping. And now you can take an ECG by just touching your finger onto that crown. This is not going to be like a doctor destroyer where you don't need doctors anymore. But yeah, we're on the route to that. No more doctors because of the Apple Watch. That's a bit of over-exaggeration, but anyway, let's continue. They improved the optical heart sensor, which means everything that they do is going to be much more accurate. You're going to get steps much more accurately, your calories burned, and all that kind of stuff is going to be much more accurate because they improved the optical heart sensor. Also, do you notice how I'm speaking quickly? Yeah, it's because I've been a while in this really, really hot room with no AC. I need to wrap this up. Now, what is really cool about this is the speaker is 50% louder. That is a major jump. And with like the original Apple Watch, the speakers were just too quiet. Like, it really weren't useful. So this is definitely good. Obviously they've improved over time, but a 50% increase is major. Now, Apple didn't just release the normal Series 4 Apple Watch. You know Apple, they are money-making monsters. So they released a Series 4 Nike edition, which we know, they pretty much release it with all of them. But the really monstrous money-making one is the Hermes. That is extremely expensive. You know the brand, you know the designer brand Hermes. So yeah, they partnered with them to make a $1,399 Apple Watch. Now, I really didn't see that many differences with it. It was like the leather strap and the second non-leather strap that they include. But maybe they have some features. I did look on their website, and it was pretty much just the strap that I could find. So really, I'm not paying $1,399. I'm not paying like an extra $1,000 for a strap. I feel like I could just get a knockoff strap for like $5, and I'd be better off. That's done. Everything regarding the Apple Watch has been fed to you. And if you just want my recommendations on whether or not you should buy it, if you're on a Series 3, then no. If you're below, then yes. And also, if you're below and you don't use it, then no, because it's not going to really change that much. If you use it and you're a Series 0, 1, or 2, upgrade. If you're a Series 3 and you use it like a lot, still don't upgrade. You can let me know in the comment section down below if you're going to upgrade. And one of the people that comment down below will be picked and featured in a future episode. And also comment down below something that I can add to the show to make it more pop. I'm at AKJKYT on all social medias. Go follow me on IGTV mainly because I post daily content over there. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you again in tomorrow morning's episode. Right now the videos are coming out at 2 a.m. GMT. That should switch to 6 a.m. GMT a little bit later on when we move. That's about it. Subscribe to notifications, comment as I previously said, like this video, and share it with all your friends and family so you can keep the show running. That's about it from me. Hopefully I'll see you in tomorrow morning's episode. Because here to the JK Tech Show and at AKJK, the grind is daily.